Hey freeholders, do you understand the value behind city notices on planning policies? Town hall meetings? Disappointed with over and false promises by your real estate agent? How will the urban planning process become reachable to you? And how do you unlock its surprising value and change your lifestyle? Do you want to have the option to buy a vacation home without stress? Do you want to upgrade your current living space and live mortgage-free? Do you want to see an exponential growth in your savings account and enjoy an early retirement? At Claridge, we understand city policies. We have full intel and knowledge on all commercial real estate markets in the Lower Mainland, strong ties with local developers, and a vast network of foreign investors. We are BC's premier land assembly advisory firm. Our client success stories spread throughout Metro Vancouver. We have transacted over $3 billion in deal value. Now, contact our professional concierge team to pay your custom solutions.